Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pex Crimper is probably one of the most essential tools for any serious DIY enthusiast or professional plumber looking to streamline their PX pipe installations, offering unparalleled freedom from power outlets and the convenience of quick, secure connections, transforming what used to be a tedious task into a remarkably efficient and effortless process, ensuring leak-free joints every single time. Number 5. Milwaukee 2473-22 M12 Force Logic Press Toolkit. Discover the latest innovation from Milwaukee. This powerful tool is designed to simplify your work. Experience unparalleled simplicity with this device. It's engineered for intuitive use, making complex tasks straightforward. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling in any situation. You'll find it incredibly easy to manage, even in tight spaces. Constructed with robust materials, it offers exceptional longevity. This tool is highly durable, ready to withstand the toughest job sites. For professionals seeking efficiency and reliability, this is the ultimate choice. It delivers consistent results, project after project. What we like. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, making your work efficient and straightforward. Its robust construction ensures it will withstand tough job site conditions for years. If you value ease of use and long-term reliability, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. No reviews could be extracted as the source JSON is empty. Number 4. Ridgid RP241 Press Toolkit. This tool is engineered for ease of use, being 25% smaller and 10% lighter than previous models. Its improved design ensures less fatigue during extended operation. Experience enhanced comfort with its better weight balance, making it feel even lighter in your hands. This thoughtful design reduces strain and improves maneuverability. It offers unmatched versatility, handling up to 1 to 1/4 inches on copper and stainless steel, 1 to 1/2 inches on PX tubing, and 3/4 inches on iron pipe. This makes it the only compact press tool with such a wide range. Stay informed with its integrated Bluetooth connectivity. You can easily monitor vital data like cycle count and battery life directly from your smartphone. Powered by a new 12V lithium-ion battery, it delivers impressive performance. You can achieve over 140 crimps on a single charge, keeping you productive longer. What we like. This model boasts a significantly smaller and lighter design, improving maneuverability and reducing fatigue. It also offers impressive versatility, handling a wider range of pipe sizes than other compact tools. If you need a powerful yet agile tool that covers many applications, this one is for you. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content is empty. Number 3. Ridgid 43853PX Crimp Tool. This crimper is perfect for securing PX tubing connections. It's ideal for both potable water and radiant heating systems, ensuring reliable seals with ASTM F1807 copper crimp rings. Navigating confined areas is no longer a challenge. Its handle opening is significantly smaller than traditional tools, allowing you to easily maneuver it in cramped job site conditions. Experience superior comfort during extended use. Its durable, glass-filled polycarbonate handles are expertly engineered for optimal grip and reduced fatigue. Ensure every crimp is perfect with the built-in go-no-go gauge. This handy feature folds neatly into the handle, making it easy to store and always ready when you need it. Maintain peak performance with simple calibration. An easily adjustable cam lets you quickly fine-tune it, ensuring optimal efficiency for every task. What we like. This manual crimper is specifically engineered for navigating extremely tight spaces, thanks to its innovative handle design. It also features an integrated go-no-go gauge for immediate quality checks, ensuring perfect crimps every time. If you frequently work in confined areas and demand precision, this tool is a must-have. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points due to empty source data. Number 2. Ridgid RP115 Mini Press Toolkit. This is the smallest and lightest hydraulic tool available, offering professionals an incredibly accessible option. It consistently delivers superior pressing performance for all your needs. Featuring a 210-degree head swivel, it makes working overhead or in confined areas significantly easier. This design ensures greater efficiency on every job. Designed for simplicity, it allows for easy one-handed jaw opening and operation. This provides excellent reach and ease of use for both residential and larger projects. Its ergonomically designed slim grip handle and optimized trigger ensure better balance and control. This provides enhanced comfort throughout your workday on the job site. This comprehensive kit includes a 12V Li-ion battery, a 12V charger, and one 2-3-4 ProPress mini press jaws. Everything fits neatly into a rugged carrying case for convenient transport. What we like. This is the lightest hydraulic tool on the market, providing superior pressing performance without the bulk. Its 210-degree swivel head makes working overhead or in awkward positions incredibly easy. If you are looking for maximum portability and flexibility for residential jobs, this mini press tool is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. RYOBI 1 Plus 18V Cordless PX Tubing Clamp Tool P660. This is the RYOBI 1 Plus 18V Lithium-ion Cordless PX Tubing Clamp Tool, model P660. It offers cordless convenience for your plumbing projects. It operates on an 18V lithium-ion battery, providing powerful performance without the hassle of cords. This allows for greater mobility and ease of use in various work environments. Designed specifically for PX tubing, it ensures secure and reliable connections. This tool simplifies the clamping process, making your work more efficient. Please note, this offering is for the tool itself, model P660. The necessary battery and charger are sold separately to give you flexibility. Experience professional-grade performance with this cordless solution. It's built for durability and precision, helping you achieve excellent results every time. What we like. This tool offers the ultimate cordless freedom, allowing you to work anywhere without power constraints. As part of the extensive One Plus system, it shares batteries with hundreds of other RYOBI tools, saving you money and space. If you already own RYOBI 18V tools and want seamless integration, this is a smart addition to your kit. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. No reviews found in the provided source JSON. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.